today we have something special called Tharoi, which is a river snail. So I'm going to make river snail curry. Not exactly curry, but masala fry. So let's start. As usual, the oil is ready. We'll start with onion. So this is the Tharoi looks like. This is the snail itself after removing from the cover. So right after onion, we can add ginger and garlic paste. Mix it properly. Right after 2 or 3 minutes, we can add red chili. I'm mixing a little bit of chopped potato because if you cook only the river snail, it will be completely plain. So cook it for 3 to 5 minutes so that the potato gets cooked. After 5 minutes of cooking, onion, ginger, garlic paste, potato and chili, we can add the snail, which is boiled one, and mix it properly and fry it for some time, like 2 to 3 minutes without any masalas, so that the snail get proper oil. It's time to add some masalas. I'll be using 2 to 3 masalas. First one, jeera powder, 1 teaspoon, and little bit of turmeric powder. Don't put more. We are just using for a little bit of taste and color, and mix them. After 1 minute of time, we will be adding some chili powder from Machal. Put as per your taste. It's time for us to add some salt. Again, salt is completely as per your taste. And last, we'll be adding coriander leaves. And after putting all the masalas, you have to cover it for 1 to 2 minutes max. So today I'm going to eat Tharoi curry with Eromba. I'll show you the Eromba as well, which is Hawaii movie, red potato and lokle. Quantity of the river snail is looking really less, but with the shell and cover, this is how it looks. We need another 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, let's check once again. It's cooked. It's time for us to put the coriander leaves and mix it. That's it. This is how I'm making the river snail fry with little bit of potato. I don't know how it tastes. This is my very first time, so I'll tell you how it tastes. So far it's looking good. I hope it's going to be nice. So let's try in some time. In the meantime, I also need to make the Hawaii movie Eromba. So guys, we'll be making Eromba as well. This is Hawaii movie and this is the red potato. Along with that, we call it lokle, which has a very strong smell. And along with that, we'll be putting some stinky beans as well. So let's quickly peel off the cover of boiled red potato. This is the peel of potato. So guys, before we mix everything, we need to make the chili and fermented fish first. So mix the salt as per your taste and mix it. So mix it properly. While mixing, you can add some water. So guys, once your chili is ready, you need to crush the potato, and it depends from family to family, person to person, whether they like to crush by hand or by like something else. Now after crush, you need to add Hawaii movie. After adding Hawaii movie, don't completely crush the Hawaii movie because it will not taste good. Now you need to add lokle. So now onwards, you can crush with your hand and mix it properly, because it's been said that if you make your Eromba with your hand, it tastes really good. So now all 3 vegetables are mixed. It's time for us to add chili. Don't put entirely. So remove the red chili cover. Don't forget to remove this red chili cover because it's not good to put it on Eromba. After that, add it entirely, and this is going to be really spicy. Now again, you mix it, and it's time for you to add little water. And after this, I need to add the coriander. So guys, Hawaii movie Eromba with lokle is ready. So we will add some coriander leaves. That's it. So guys, now let's add some stinky beans. And if you want onion also, you can add little onion. So guys, Eromba is ready. and along with that, Tharoi Ngouba is also ready. So let's eat. I cannot wait for long. Nice. Let me try the Eromba first. Little bit spicy, but it's amazing. Let me try the Ngouba also. After a quite long time, I'm eating Tharoi. This is amazing. So guys, thank you all so very much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. The Eromba is spicy, so don't forget to comment how is the Eromba and how is the Tharoi Ngouba. See you all in the next video. Till then, keep YouTubing. Bye bye.